It's a really cloudy day today, and it's been raining for like 3 days, so I'm not getting the lighting that I deserve right now, but it's okay. 너무 맛있어. I don't know what this bread is, but I got it because it's pretty. It's cute. I don't know what it's gonna taste like, but oh my gosh, I forgot to put on my lipstick. Very good. I came here to do an unboxing, and I got these things like a month ago, over a month ago actually, but the reason why I didn't unbox these yet is because I was too lazy to film an unboxing video. These two buddies were just sitting there in my room. But yeah, I came to do an unboxing today, finally. My mom kind of forced me. But first we try the bread, because I don't know what it will taste like, and I got it because it was pretty. What if I hate it and I regret? It's okay. They have this kind of cream on the inside. 이게 무슨 맛이지? Every time I film a video, while I'm filming, I think to myself, wow, I don't like the way how I look in the camera. Wow, I'm so boring. Wow, I failed this video. Wow, footage is gonna go to trash. But when I go to edit, I realize that I really like what I filmed and that I look really pretty. So I'm hoping today is the same case, because right now I feel like I'm not filming at the best condition. So I'm hoping YouTube gods will help me. I'll unbox Gucci first. Oh my gosh, it's a cat. I have to behave because I'm in public. So story is, I wanted a really pretty Dior ring, and my mom was like, ew, it's ugly. No, she didn't say that, but she said it was ugly. So she was like, let's get this instead. So I went to Gucci and I got this, and I got this in August after I came to Korea, because I was trying to cure my jet lag with money. So it looks like this because it's a ring, and this is a ring box. Green box. Vert in français. I'm probably saying that wrong. And of course, I have to do some unboxing ASMR. It's in a small pouch. I'm holding it backwards. I don't have a boyfriend, so my mother will 껴줘 it for me. What's 껴줘 in English? What? Anyway, 껴줘 the ring for me. My mother will put a ring on the finger. Oh my gosh. Huh? Oh, my ring. Yeah, I just got it. I have to sneeze. Never mind, I lost it. Wait. Oh, my ring. I just got it. Oh my gosh, guys. Right diagonally from me, there was a couple, and I was not happy filming in front of them. But now they're gone and I'm the only person sitting here. I can be myself again. I was trying to behave because I was in public. But yeah, do you like the ring, guys? Do you like it? Do you like it? It's pretty, right? It's pretty. Tell me you like it. You like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Next, I am going to unbox Vivienne Westwood. I was talking to Mehdi yesterday or a few days ago, and I was like, hey, I got a watch. And he was like, ooh, where from? Vivienne Westwood? And I was like, how do you know? How do you know? I got a watch, and there's kind of like a small story to this. It's not really a story. It's just an explanation or an excuse. I don't have a watch. I don't own a watch because I don't need a watch. One day I saw a Vivienne Westwood watch and I thought, oh, I need a watch. Surprise, it comes in a box. 헐, 너무 예뻐. Okay, excessive wrappers. Save the trees, I think not. Are you ready? How do you open a watch box? And it says Vivienne Westwood on the back. Is this the right time? 6:28. Let's go to 6:28. 6. Okay, please do it again. Hello? Hey. You wanna know what time it is right now, guys? So do you think Iris is going to wear this watch to actually lift her left arm and say, oh, it's 6:30 p.m.? Or do you think she's just gonna put it on for fun? Yeah, I think so too. It's so pretty. Look, I have a scar. Can you see the scar? Tanny baby ripped me up. Look, and I got a watch, kitty. Do you like it? Look at my new watch and my ring, kitty. Do you like it? Do you like it? I don't have a lot of battery left on my camera, but I have one more thing I wanted to unbox because it's October. It's Iris month and Iris spooky season. I don't even know why my birthday is in May. It should be in October. It should be the 31st of October. And to celebrate Iris month, I got this very interesting candy, and it's a spooky candy. It says paint candy. I don't know why it's called paint candy, and I just saw it at the convenience store and I got it. I like black. I'm gonna try black. Anyhow, mayhaps I leave. Iris life update. Firstly, I have no battery, and secondly, I have like a lot of footage from Boston and New York that I have yet edited. And bye. This is how I'm going to end the video today because these are the main characters.